Hello guys, welcome to ChronoLogic live stream. Today we will present to you about the new Automate release. And my name is Daniel Kmak, and alongside me there's Clarence. Hi Clarence, can you introduce yourself to the audience?
Hey guys, so my name is Clarence. So I've been working for ChronoLogic and I'm going to do the demo for the new Automate user interface.
Okay, so Clarence is going to help us, and let us know, guys, if you can hear us, if you can see us, and please, if you have any questions, just type them in a YouTube chat, like the video, and let's continue. So on our agenda with Clarence, we have 4 things actually. First, we will introduce the concept of Automate. If in case some of you are not familiar with it, then we will present the latest improvements to this application. Then Clarence is going to demo Automate, the new UI, new improvements, and at the end we will answer your questions. Carlos says he can clearly see us. Okay, thank you guys for feedback. Let's move on. So Automate allows you to do conditional scheduling on Ethereum, as well as time scheduling. You basically sign transaction using some offline wallet like my Ether wallet or my crypto, and then you paste these transactions, and then you set a trigger when you want this transaction to be executed. So it accepts only signed transactions, which means it's very safe. Like you don't pass any private keys and all this stuff, and it allows you to send your transaction after various triggers. So it could be very useful for maybe some CDPs when using DAI, or for example, proxying some Ether when you receive it. For example, someone scheduled your salary and you know you're going to receive ETH, and instantly after you receive this Ether, you want to transfer it to another account, maybe to exchange, to instantly sell it. Then you sign such transaction using offline wallet. Then you pass it to Automate. You set the condition that when Ether arrives on your account, then execute this transaction, and then you can just wait, because it's going to be done automatically for you. It already works on mainnet and on testnet, so if you want to first just try it out on testnet, then you have this ability. And this live stream is, I think it's the 3rd live stream on Automate, and this is the live stream where we have some improvements for you, because we constantly work to improve Automate. And we can present to you the new simpler user interface, which you are going to see just in a second, first on a screenshot, and then Clarence will show you demo how this interface works and feels. Then we have some other changes, like, for example, we decided not to show like the less important fields. We want this interface to be really simple, so only the important fields are displayed for you for scheduling. Also, when you paste signed transactions, in the past you might have got an error that that was result of one white space character at the end. So now we automatically trim when you paste signed transaction. We have also added link to tutorial that Clarence has created, and all of this stuff is already available at automate.chronologic.network. So feel free to check it out after the live stream. So this is actually how the new UI looks like. It's just a screenshot, and Clarence is going to show you in a second how it looks in action. So yeah, this is a standalone version of Automate. It's hosted on automate.chronologic.network. You paste signed transaction, you set up a trigger, and then you just can control the scheduled transaction by a link you get. And this is a standalone version. There's also a Automate Zapier version, and we will give you a link to the Zapier version at the end of this live stream. But in this live stream, we focus on Automate standalone. So here I'm passing it to you, Clarence, and yeah.
Thanks, Daniel. Okay. Hey guys, so Clarence here. So I'm going to share my screen and do the demo for Automate. So first step is to get the signed transaction that you've created in my Ether wallet or in my crypto. And then here we have this execute section where you'll put the signed transaction that you've created using my Ether wallet or in my crypto. So you paste it here. And then after that, here's the condition section that displays the shortened address. It's possible to choose Ether or any token that if you want to send other tokens, so it displays the token name here. It's also possible to add a custom token by pasting the contract address here. And we specify how the condition basically, so by default, it's equal to the amount that we're trying to send. You can also use time scheduling here. So you can choose the date. So for example, I'm going to schedule transaction by tomorrow, and then the time, and then the time zone. You can choose at any time zone that you want, and then the local time is displayed here. And at the end of this page, we have the summary section displaying the addresses of the sender and the receiver and the amount you're going to send here and the network that you're in. So if you click on schedule here, you get the link to your transaction. So if you click the transaction, it will show you all the details that it shows you: the transaction ID, the status, the transaction hash, the information, and all of that. So here is the amount and then the scheduled transaction here. And then so if you click the schedule another one, so it will reset the page for the data, so you can add another schedule another transaction. So I've been using this new interface many times now, scheduling transactions, and it's really cool and it's really easy to use. So that's it for my demo. Back to you, Daniel.
Thank you so much for this demo. I think everyone now will be able to understand how this interface works. And guys, remember, if you have any questions, maybe as well to Clarence or to me regarding how to use this interface. And I've been creating this, and Clarence is a power user of this tool. So we will do our best to answer your questions. So thank you once again, Clarence. And guys, if you are watching it, please make sure to like the video and as well join our communities. We have a group on Telegram where we keep in touch with everyone who's there, and this includes if you have any questions, then obviously you can ask them now on the live stream, but as well after the live stream you can post them there, and we will answer. Also, make sure to follow us on Twitter, where we post new updates to the tools that we're creating. This includes our the Ethereum alarm clock updates and as well Automate updates. So make sure to follow us there and subscribe to this channel. And yeah. So guys, I see your question, Tadeusz. I will answer it in a second. Here are the links actually to all this stuff. So Tadeusz asks, is it already live or is it just a test thing? So it's already live. If you go to automate.chronologic.network, then it already works. I think, Clarence, you have shown the demo from automate.chronologic.network.
Yep, that's correct, Daniel. It's from automate.chronologic.network is the URL for automate.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, you can see it's already live, and you can use it. Do we have more questions, guys? Okay. I don't see more questions. If you think of something later, join our Telegram group and post it there. We will try to answer. Thank you so much, Clarence, for being here with me.
Thank you, Daniel.
Thank you so much, and see you in the next live stream. Bye.